Now let's move on to character variables and character strings. We already know how to declare character type variables and constants. Now let's see how to use them. Adding strings to each other and mixing strings with characters is very simple in Swift. For this purpose, we need to use the addition operator plus. We can also iterate over any string of characters by using a simple for-in loop. We'll deal with loops in detail later in the course. In the next example, we see a bit more complex formatting of a character string. It makes it possible to combine the values of variables and literal characters into a single coherent whole. If you programmed earlier in Objective-C, you'll probably be glad that in operations on characters, it's very easy to use the methods offered by the NSString class. All we need to do is import the foundation library, and all the NSString methods are available. In our example, we show how to use the pathComponents method. If we want to use a string constant or variable in Swift, we can do it in a very simple way by, in a way, reversing the assignment. NSString first equals path elements brackets 0 bracket.